channel. I don't only just do makeup, but I model and I make creative fashion videos and style vlogs. So if you want to see more of my content, subscribe and remember to hit the bell. Before I show you guys how to do makeup, I have some life updates. Okay, if you haven't noticed, I have a sling on because I just got surgery in February, and this is like my second week with it on, and I'm supposed to have it on for 4 more weeks, so that's 6 weeks total, and I can't do anything. I took a break from modeling, but today I am going to be doing a product review that Influenster was kind enough to send me some free products from Becca. Today they sent me the Hydra-Mist Setting Powder along with the brush that comes with it. And just to tell you guys a little bit about the product, it's formulated with 50% water and glycerin to create a mist-like sensation on skin that sets and refreshes makeup. Its ultra-fine light reflecting powders float over skin to smooth and blur the looks of fine lines and imperfections, and you can keep reapplying all day to make the makeup look fresh. So we'll see if that's true, but if you want to see how I create this, my natural everyday makeup look, you know, keep watching. So now we're in moment of truth. Now I'm gonna set my foundation with the Becca Setting Hydration Mist, and I also got the Becca brush for the setting powder, and let's see how it goes on my skin. Whoa, this is cool. Like, it actually feels cold on my skin. And it feels like water. It feels like it's actually hydrating my skin. That's really tight. It feels like the powder doesn't even feel like powder. It feels like I'm spraying myself with setting spray. That's really cool. And it kind of feels like my skin is tightening. Like my pores are tightening. So my deal breaker is if, let's say after I'm done putting this on, if my makeup is not gonna break up or like separate, because sometimes like it's still wet, and when I put on like blush or like highlighter, it breaks it up. And like sometimes, especially like in the cold, I start tearing up and my makeup, like my foundation literally comes off, and it's really annoying. So sometimes I think like maybe my setting powder is not working, or I don't know. But I actually originally used the Cover FX setting powder. I think it works fine. Like another deal breaker for me is that I don't get wrinkly lines, you know, like the fine lines. That happens to me a lot because, you know, I smile too much and then I end up seeing this. So let's see if it doesn't separate or give me fine lines, because supposedly it's not supposed to give me fine lines. It's supposed to hydrate my skin. So we'll see what's up. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and put on eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna put on my contour and blush and all that good stuff. Okay, so overall thoughts, I think the Becca Hydra-Mist Setting Powder works great. I don't see any like fine lines, I don't look oily, but I'll have to see by the end of the day if it actually lasts long. And also when I use the brush is actually pretty cool. It actually like covers my whole skin, like it's so soft. Anyways, I would say 4 out of 5 right now until I see the end of the day if it actually like stays long. So I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out guys, until next time.